Natalie Madison here with another tip of the day. All right, so there's our first sheet pan. We have one more thing we have to do, and that's tamp these down. So again, we're going to put our towel just underneath our sheet pan and gently tap this down. You'll notice that the macarons continue spreading to fill out the disc. Also, any air bubbles will come up to the surface and they will either pop naturally on their own or be visible enough that you can now use your toothpick and pop them. And then just take a minute and use your toothpicks to pop any of those pesky air bubbles that might be surfacing. Part of the reason we tamp this down too is to allow larger grains of almond flour to shimmy down to the bottom of the cookie, and it allows these smaller, more fluid grains to float the surface, giving you a smoother top shell.